Today, I'm needlefelting some love bugs. Some assembly required. Hello, welcome! You may be asking, what is a love bug? I don't know. I'm picturing it sort of a cute ladybug kind of thing, but Valentine's year? I'll just felt some a few different ways, and we can see what we like. I'm thinking that these can be pretty simple, so they should be great for beginners and beyond. As always, I'm starting with my foam pad and my needle. I like a spiral needle. I think it's a 38 gauge, but I think it's best to try some different things to find out what you like. I'm going to start out with a cookie cutter and some mill waste. If you don't have access to mill waste, that's okay. I just like to use the cheapest wool I can find for the inner shape and save the good stuff for the outside. I'm just building up a few crisscrossing layers in my cookie cutter until it seems thick enough. I want to end up with kind of a domed shape, so I'll add even more in the center. Ew, look at how gross this wool is. Blah. That's why it's on the inside. Anyway, at this point you can tell it's not particularly well felted, and it looks fairly not pretty. That's fine. First, I will poke it a lot inside the cookie cutter to stick it all together. And then we can flip it over and poke more. And finally, take it out of the heart and poke the sides a little. There, you can see that now it's holding together pretty well. It's a little squishier than I'd like, but this is a pretty soft and squishy fiber, so we'll have to cover it up. I'm going to use a little black wool to show where the head is going to be, and in between the two wings, I guess? And then I'm going to use more black to cover the head. And I will poke it a lot to get it a little more solid and at least somewhat smooth. Now, I think I'll use pink for the wings so it's not too much like a ladybug. I'll just outline around the edges and then fill in the middle. I will try to make each of the wingy bits a little bit more round and puffy. Okay, it's not perfectly even and symmetrical, but still pretty cute. The next step will be to fill in the tummy with some more black, and maybe try to even out the head while I'm at it. Not bad. I think some heart spots would be cute. I wonder if a little cookie cutter would work for that. Kind of? It's a little hard to get them even, but they look cute. Now he needs a face. Ta-da! Here is the first Mr. Lovebug, and now I'll try some variations. first one was the most fun to make, but it's always interesting to see where the other ones end up. Sometimes they can be pretty strange. And there you have it. At least one solid way to make a love bug, and some others. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos come out every Saturday. So until the next one, be awesome. And I'll see you then. Bye!